Good morning. Hello. Today is Wednesday, the 31st of July, which also means tomorrow, the 1st of August, is technically my due date. Which is slightly terrifying. Yeah, so that's that. I'm at the end of pregnancy. Who knows when the baby will arrive? So far, no signs of the baby yet, but you never know what can happen. Obviously, I've got a few things I need to get done today. It is 11:20. I've been spending the morning, watching Orange Is the New Black, but I've also been on the phone to pet insurance because I didn't realise that our pet insurance was due to expire yesterday. So I've been on the phone to them this morning renewing the policy. Oh, I'm red because of the computer screen. So I've just been on the phone to Virgin Media and I've changed our account and reduced it by £10 a month. Thank God for that, because I was a bit horrified at the price that we were paying. So note to self, note to you out there, if you are paying too much for your broadband and your phone and all that, give your people a call and then they can maybe amend things, because I said I wanted to remove the phone line because we weren't using it and it was cheaper, and he said, well, you may as well keep the phone line and I'll reduce your whole package by £10 as opposed to taking away the phone line, and then it'll only be reduced by like £5 or something. I was like, I don't know what that means, give me that £10 back a month, and Bob's your uncle, haven't got a flap about taking anything away, and engineers and all that jazz. So anyway, that's done. Cross that off my to-do list. I've got a very long to-do list, so that's done. Right, and now I need to go downstairs and clean the fridge. Woohoo! It's raining. Tell you what, it's a good thing I did all my washing last week and the week. Yeah, last week when I had like 15 loads of washing to do. Good job I did it, because if I hadn't have done it then, I'd been in trouble this week. Because it's chucking it down. So this is the kind of situation. All of this is stuff that needs to be sorted out. I was trying to put all my baking stuff in these drawers, but it won't fit. So I'm gonna have to sort it all out. Yeah, as you can see, I'm doing half jobs and then I've just moved on to something else, because that's what I like to do. Just jumping around the house. I cleaned the front of the fridge. I haven't cleaned inside the fridge. God knows I hate cleaning the fridge, and also I need to take all the drawers out and clean them, but until the sink area is clean, there's no point. I'm going to close the door because it's raining. Oh! My mum's here. Hello. So things have changed since I last saw you about an hour ago. My mum's come around. Right, so I don't know what nesting is. Honestly, don't know what nesting is, because I haven't had it until yesterday, which I mentioned earlier. But something that I'm noticing, out of breath, my version of nesting seems to be tidying anything and everything, but not finishing anything. I definitely said this already. So now I'm cleaning the bathroom. I'm going to clean it properly and finish it, and then I'll go back downstairs. But this is the current situation. It's just cleaning everything, which is interesting, because I'm like, I'd rather be watching Orange Is the New Black, but I'm going to clean the whole bathroom instead. Yeah. Fun, good times. Dinner is served. Sean's done a very good job of clearing some of the stuff and putting it away. We've also cleared these cupboards to make space for stuff. You didn't know what they looked like before, but just be known that it was very messy, and we're getting there. Tidying stuff up, putting stuff away, putting stuff in places, which is always fun. We've got dinner ready. It's the most random dinner you'll ever see. Sean stopped off at M&S on the way home from work, and he got some Plant Kitchen not Zorella sticks and some Plant Kitchen Mac bites. and a bit of salad. And that is our dinner. Obviously we'll put sauces and stuff with it. We're not absolute psychopaths. Need to use these peppers up because they're going a bit soft, so I thought I'd shove that all in. And yeah. But yeah, so probably gonna eat this, watch an episode of Taskmaster because that's all we do with our time.
And carry on.
And then carry on cleaning. Woohoo! Okay, so it is now 10 to midnight. We've now spent our time finishing tidying. I say finishing tidying for this evening. Yeah, I thought the bathroom would be really quick, and then I decided to empty all the drawers in the bathroom. I made Sean go upstairs and clean the top of the tiles. What are you doing?
Cleaning the bathroom.
So the baby better come in the next couple of next few days, because if he doesn't, everything's gonna be messy again. Oh dear. Anyway, I think that will be it for today, and the cleaning fun will continue tomorrow. Yeah. See you then. Bye. Jiva is watching The Little Mermaid. She seems to be enjoying it. Good morning. So today is my due date, the 1st of August, and there's no sign of the baby, and I wasn't expecting there to be any sign of the baby, to be honest. But yes, here we are, still here, still pregnant, and I'm just about to go to the post office because I have gone through all my makeup and found a load of makeup unopened from things like glossy boxes and Birch boxes and stuff. Random makeup brushes I haven't used, all sorts of stuff, and I'm posting it to a charity called Give and Makeup. Here it is. So yeah, it's a charity that the YouTuber Caroline Hirons, I believe she is either an ambassador for it or started the charity. But it's basically makeup, nearly new makeup to be donated to women in housing for domestic abuse survivors. Obviously, it's a great thing to do. I'm back from the post office, and annoyingly, it was closed, which is really odd because it's never closed. It's like a newsagent, so I don't know why it's closed. Whatever. But anyway, we need to pop out. Well, I need to pop out and go grab something from an Amazon locker. Sean accidentally ordered it to the Amazon locker instead of sending it to the house, because obviously I'm here all day. I could have picked it up, but oh well. But for the time being, before we pop out, I decided to cook chili con carne. I have made spaghetti bolognese, chicken and leek pie, and now the chili con carne as a batch cooking thing for when the baby's here and I can't bother to make anything. So that's what we're doing now. I'm doing now. It's all fun. And I'm eating dates because apparently dates help induce labour. I don't believe it. We are going to the cinema to see Toy Story. Finally gonna go. Decided to sack in all the cleaning. But I finished the fridge, that's the main thing. Don't see how beautiful it is. Isn't that the cleanest fridge you ever did see? Quality content, you are welcome. My date for the evening. And this is it. We're probably both gonna have this one. We have arancini balls with loads of salad and cola. Sean's still on his phone.
I've got important people needing to message.
Yeah. Pizza. Pizza. Pizza.
Garlic oil.
Pizza. Pizza. Pizza.
That is a vegan ice cream bought from the cinema. It's packed in here.
Chose an aisle seat in case I need to pee, but we may be able to move.
Fingers crossed. And we are home.
Watch this. Film the door.
This door.
Let's see.
That door. Oh. She is conditioned.
Can you sit down before we give them food? The dog who wouldn't eat a thing yesterday. Look at her tail. Kiva. Paw. Paw.
Torture.
Just the one time. Show this mystery.
Yeah, so we left. Obviously, when we left, let's put the story straight. The duvet, the dog sheet, the blanket were all on her bed. We came back, and now they're not.
She's destroyed it.
She's destroyed it. We have the remains of a toy here, remains of a toy here, but we also, bizarrely, have a toy that has landed on the table. So after seeing Toy Story 4, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's a dog toy, so it's designed to be a dog toy. How did it get on the table?
Jumped up.
I think he was maybe having like a dinner party with it.
Maybe. I am Mrs. Nesbit.
What's that?
That's from Toy Story 1. Yeah, we saw Toy Story 4.
Kiva.
I liked it. I didn't love it. I thought the third one was the perfect ending, but it was good to see where Bo Peep went. And
Let's do an RC Racer win though.
where did RC Racing?
Maybe Toy Story 5 will be about RC Racer.
Excellent. And what other toys?
Uh,
What happened to Etch-a-Sketch?
Wheezy.
Wheezy. What happened to all of those? Oh, well, I look forward to Toy Story 17 when we find out where each individual toy went. What about all of the army soldiers?
Yeah, what happened to the Black Arrow soldiers?
Who knows? But yeah, no, it was good.
Yes.
I like the new character brought in. I actually wept with laughter when Plush Rush, that scene.
The Ducky and what's his face tried to just describe how they were going to get the key.
The third story to how they were going to get the key made me cry with laughter because I just loved how long it went on. But no, it was good. Tick. Look forward to getting that on Blu-ray. We have to see Lion King next. When can we see that? Tomorrow? How are you feeling?
Fine.
Caroline's feeling fine.
I'm feeling fine.
She's feeling fine. What is the time now? Ooh.
10:40.
10:40. We're just gonna, well, I'm gonna tidy up in here so it's a bit more livable, and then I'm going to bed because I have work tomorrow. Unlike some people.
I'm going to paint a picture. I've got my easel out upstairs. I've got a bowl of fruit. And when you come home tomorrow, there's going to be a picture hanging on the wall of a bowl of fruit with me lying behind it like this. Watercolour or charcoal? What would you prefer? What would you prefer?
Oil.
With a gold frame or silver frame?
Okay,
What's
guys.
oil?
I'm gonna turn the camera off now.
Oil. Sesame oil. Chili.
Bye. Good morning. Not afternoon yet, so we're safe. It's fine. We have just.
Still morning, bloody hell.
I know. Still morning. Still morning.
I've been walking for hours.
We're just taking Keeper for a long walk, and she's like this. What are you doing? You were just panting away just then.
There you go.
too hot, too bothered.
What's she staring?
And why is she sitting like that? What a fancy little dog. Karen's having lunch at 11:45. I'm making my lunch at 11:45. We got up early. I got up several times.
Because that dog.
Because of the blinking dog. Whingy whining. We started to give her a bit of wet food, and now I think she's loving it too much. That she's now fast forwarding to her breakfast at about 4 in the morning.
Can't believe the time.
Can't believe the
You
time.
can't show me because I'm sat in my underwear because I'm too hot.
Yeah, so apologies. Unless... no, I won't.
Hello. I don't know when we've last picked up a camera. I know I haven't picked up this camera in a long time. Yeah, so what's been going on? We have, well, I've just edited the names we love but won't be using video. And Sean is currently, well, he's cleaned the stairs and currently in the process just sitting there.
I've put baking powder or bicarbonate of soda on our carpet to get rid of odours, and I'm yet to clean it. We are literally living a crazy lifestyle.
So put bicarbonate of soda or baking powder on the carpet and you leave it there. You leave it there for about 5 to 10 minutes. And it absorbs any odours, and also I think, well, from what I've experienced, it does actually make the carpet softer. But make sure you use the right thing. So you can either use, because in America it's called baking soda, but obviously in the UK we have bicarbonate of soda and baking powder. So we use bicarbonate of soda on the floor. Or you can get like a little box of baking soda. It's not baking powder. FYI, it can be quite confusing. It took me a while to figure that out because I was like, I don't understand the difference, but there is a difference. Bicarbonate of soda, I believe, is just bicarbonate of soda, whereas baking powder is a mixture of stuff. I don't know, it's all too hard. I probably got it wrong. If I have, then I have, but I recommend it.
Hello, hello, hello. So it's nearly midnight, isn't it? Yeah. We've just been out for a long walk to try and move things along. I have work tomorrow morning, but you know, the night is still young and all that. But we will end the vlog now, and we'll see you tomorrow, which will technically be next week. Okay, goodbye. It's goodbye from me, and it's goodbye from